The era of the budget desktop is officially dead. For decades, the tech industry followed a simple, frustrating rule. If you wanted world-class power, you had to buy a massive, power-hungry tower. If you wanted something small and affordable, you had to settle for a machine that would choke the moment you opened more than 10 Chrome tabs. But in the quiet corners of Apple Park, a revolution has been brewing, one that culminates today in a machine so small it fits in your hand, yet so powerful it makes the Mac Pros of 3 years ago look like pocket calculators. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We aren't just talking about a minor spec bump here. We aren't talking about another incremental 10% increase in clock speed. No, the M5 Mac Mini represents the single greatest leap in power per watt efficiency in the history of silicon. We have spent weeks analyzing the supply chain data from TSMC's latest 2-nanometer fabrication lines. We've spoken to developers who have seen early benchmarks of the M5 architecture. And what we've found isn't just impressive, it's actually terrifying for the competition. If you are a creative professional, a software engineer, a high-end gamer, or just someone who wants a computer that will stay lightning fast for the next decade, you need to stop what you are doing. Because the M5 Mac Mini isn't just a new computer, it is the end of the PC as we know it. Today, we are going to peel back the aluminum shell. We are going to look at the hidden thermal architecture that Apple has been hiding. We're going to dive into the unprecedented AI capabilities of the M5 neural engine. And most importantly, we're going to answer the question that is currently haunting every IT department in America. Is it finally time to ditch the MacBook Pro and go all in on the Mini? Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 Silicon. For the last few years, we've seen Apple dominate with the M1, M2, and M3. But the M5 is different. This is built on the brand new 2 nanometers process. In plain English, that means Apple is cramming billions more transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp. The result? A base model Mac Mini that can now outperform a fully spec'd out Intel-based iMac Pro. Imagine this. You're editing a 6K video timeline. You have 50 layers of color grading, 3-dimensional motion graphics, and background music rendering in real time. On an old machine, you'd be hearing fans screaming and seeing the spinning beach ball of death. On the M5 Mac Mini, the machine remains silent. It doesn't just handle the load, it laughs at it. The M5's high-performance cores are clocked at speeds we previously thought were impossible for a fanless or near-silent design. We are seeing single-core scores that are breaking the records on every major benchmarking platform. But the real magic isn't in the speed, it's in the intelligence. We are living in the year of AI. Every software you use, from Photoshop to Excel, is being rebuilt around large language models and generative intelligence. Most computers struggle with this because AI requires a specific kind of brain called a neural engine. The M5 features a 40-core neural engine designed specifically for local AI processing. This means your Mac Mini isn't sending your data to a cloud server to process an AI task. It's doing it right there, on your desk, instantly. Whether it's real-time voice-to-text, generating high-res images in seconds, or coding entire applications with AI assistance, the M5 is the first AI-first desktop ever built. Now, let's talk about the design, because Apple has finally done